Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at the Observer feature in our Business Pro account. So here we are on our home page, and let's start a new session. And we want to do a remote online notarization. So here we can add our document or a template. Let's try a template here. We'll add this document, press save. And now we can go to adding our signers. So I have one signer here. I'm going to put their name, Wyatt Hale, and I'm going to put the email address for this signer. Now that I've added my signer, a person I want to add is an observer. An observer is a person who does not participate in the signing, and they can choose not to attend, but they will get a copy of the signed document once it's completed. So let's add an observer. And we can put the name of the observer here and their email address. So let's add that. Now, an observer can have a role. They can be a moderator, attorney, translator, contractor, admin, or other. So let's try other. And when we choose other, we can specify their role. So let's say viewer. And we can add a phone number for the observer. So let's add their phone number here. And we can press save. And once we've done that, we want to select a notary from our team who is going to do the session. I'm going to choose Andy. And now I can send the invitation. So now this session has been created, and as an admin on my Business Pro account, I can join this session as an observer myself. So let's see what happens when I do that. And it says confirm. Am I joining the session as an admin user? I can only spectate or observe the live session. And then I can press OK and join the session. Now, what does this look like for another person who is not associated with this Business Pro account when they are invited as an observer? So here I am in my email, and as an observer not associated with the Business Pro account, I can see here is my invitation to the notarization session, and I can press Get Started to observe the session. And here I'm ready to observe by joining this session. And here I am as an observer. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.